rusted, and the bearing is pretty worn out. And you can see I've already had this one out. So I've got some brass screws here, but you just need to loosen these screws. Mine were flathead screw. So you just loosen them, and then might be rusted in. You may have to work a little bit, but you basically pull this out and set that aside. Just be careful when you're taking it apart. I snapped one of the screws off, so make sure you're using a lot of penetrating oil when you're doing that. Then what you're going to do is you're going to replace that with a Bolens GK reproduction steering column housing and bearing, and it's provided with 2 brass screws. And you basically just tighten these up, drop it in, tighten them up. Don't need to tighten them too tight, just snug them up, and you got yourself a nice new housing with a nice new bearing.